The impact of edge computing on data processing and security. Edge computing, a game changer in data processing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the source of data generation. This not only improves the efficiency of data processing but also allows for faster decision-making and response times. How does edge computing improve data processing efficiency? By processing data locally, edge devices can perform computations faster and with lower network latency, resulting in quicker response times and improved overall performance. Enhancing security with edge computing. Edge computing also allows for data to be encrypted and securely transmitted to centralized servers, ensuring that data remains protected throughout the processing and storage process. How does edge computing improve data security? By processing data locally on edge devices, organizations can minimize the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access, ensuring that data remains secure throughout the processing and storage process. The future of edge computing. From edge servers and edge architecture to edge security and data privacy, organizations are increasingly adopting edge computing solutions to drive efficiency, scalability, and innovation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the impact of edge computing on data processing and security is undeniable.